Hello guys, welcome back. If you have an Oral-B IO toothbrush and you are not sure how to charge it properly, you are not alone because this toothbrush uses a different charging style compared to regular electric brushes. Many users place it on the charger but get confused when they don't see immediate results or are unsure if it is charging correctly. Since the Oral-B IO uses magnetic charging, proper placement and clean contact are very important for the charging process to work smoothly. Even a small misalignment or dirt on the base can stop the charging completely. It is also important to understand how long it takes and what indicators to look for. Once you follow the correct method, charging becomes simple and reliable every time. In this video, I will show you step by step how to charge an Oral-B IO toothbrush easily. Try these. 1. Plug the Oral-B IO charger into a working power outlet. 2. Place the Oral-B IO toothbrush correctly on the charging base. 3. Check the Oral-B IO toothbrush display or light for charging indication. 4. Clean the bottom of the Oral-B IO toothbrush and charger if needed. 5. Leave the Oral-B IO toothbrush on the charger until it is fully charged. 6. Remove the Oral-B IO toothbrush and confirm it is ready for use.